Ethan was a poor baker living in a small village. Every morning, he baked fresh bread for his neighbors, even though he earned very little. One rainy day, an old hungry traveler came to his bakery with no money. Instead of turning him away, Ethan gave him warm bread and soup for free. Before leaving, the traveler handed Ethan an old notebook and said, "This recipe will only work for someone with a kind heart." At first, Ethan thought it was an ordinary bread recipe, but when he baked it, the bread smelled amazing, stayed fresh for days, and people traveled from faraway towns to buy it. Soon Ethan became the most successful baker in the region. Instead of becoming greedy, he opened a free bakery every Sunday to feed poor families and orphans. Years later, a young baker asked Ethan how he became so successful. Ethan smiled and said, "The secret wasn't the recipe. The secret was kindness." Moral: kindness always returns in unexpected ways.